When Texas starts petitioning for statehood, there's a lot of correspondence. And they say, you know, you could probably make the border's the Nueces River, but we might be able to get it at the Rio Grande. So they write about, historically, our borders have always been at the Nueces River. There has been no real settlement below it. And they write down that in their discussion of negotiations of where they should set the border. So those are the principal causes. Now we're going to get into shooting, but you're going to see that the two things start blending together because the shooting starts before the war is declared. So here's the disputed territory. This is the issue, the Nueces Strip. Mexico says, we never accepted the loss of Texas anyway. It's still a rebellious republic as far as we're concerned. We do not accept that it's being annexed into the United States. But even if it were, it never went further south than Corpus Christi. That is the boundary of the state of Tejas Escogido. So that should be the border. And the Americans say, no, we're taking the Rio Grande. President Polk orders General Zachary Taylor down to not just past the Nueces River, but indeed to the northern, he doesn't say the northern bank. He says move as close to the Rio Grande as practically possible. Taylor interprets that to mean the northern bank of the Rio Grande.